Long before a single human ever took a breath, Earth was already ancient. It spun through the black silence of space, carrying secrets no one was yet alive to tell. The ground shook with volcanoes, the skies flowed red with storms, and oceans stretched endlessly, hiding creatures stranger than our imagination. This was a world without us, a world that didn't know our names, our dreams, or our future.
Life began in the seas, in silence. Tiny sparks of existence drifted in the water, multiplying until the oceans were alive with strange beings. Armored fish with jaws like steel, sharks with shadows longer than whales, and creatures that glowed in the darkness filled the deep. To them, Earth belonged entirely to the water.
On land, the world was quiet. No birds sang, no footsteps pressed into soil. The ground was bare rock, broken only by patches of green moss and towering fungi that rose like silent giants. It was a lonely earth, waiting for someone or something to claim it.
But life is stubborn. From the water came creatures with fins that began to change into legs. They crawled, gasped, and struggled onto muddy shores, fighting to survive in a place where nothing yet welcomed them. Forests had not yet risen. Grass did not exist. The air was heavy, strange, and difficult to breathe. Yet slowly, patiently, the earth changed. Plants grew taller, spreading green across the continents. Insects with wings the size of birds buzzed through the air, filling the silence with the first songs of life. For hundreds of millions of years, this planet grew and transformed without us. Mountains rose and crumbled. Oceans swallowed land and then retreated. Entire species lived and vanished, leaving no trace but fossils buried in stone. The earth did not hurry. It was preparing.
And then, much later, so much later, humans appeared. Fragile, small, and unsure. We walked into a story that had been unfolding for ages before we ever opened our eyes. The world we call ours was never only ours. It belonged first to fire, then to water, then to creatures now forgotten. So when you look at the earth today, remember, before us it was already alive. Before us it was already beautiful. And long after us, it will still be here, spinning in silence, telling stories only the rocks and oceans can remember.